To adjust Trust Wallet fingerprint login, start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Ensure you have the latest version of the app installed to access the most recent features and security updates. Navigate to the Settings menu, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon, depending on your device and app version. Tap on the Settings icon to open the menu and access various options. In the Settings menu, look for the Security section. This section may be labeled as Security, Account, or Wallet Security, depending on the app layout. Tap on the Security section to access options related to fingerprint login and other security features. Within the Security section, find the Fingerprint Login option. This option may be enabled or disabled, depending on your current settings. If fingerprint login is already enabled, you will see options to adjust or reset the fingerprint settings. If it is disabled, you can enable it by following the on-screen instructions. To adjust the fingerprint login settings, tap on the fingerprint option and follow the prompts to add or remove fingerprints. You may be asked to enter your wallet password or PIN to authenticate the changes. When adding a new fingerprint, place your finger on the fingerprint sensor and follow the on-screen instructions to register your fingerprint. You may need to lift and replace your finger several times to complete the registration process. To remove a fingerprint, select the fingerprint you want to delete and confirm the action. Be cautious when removing fingerprints, as this will affect the security and accessibility of your wallet. After adjusting the fingerprint login settings, test the changes to ensure they are working as expected. Try logging into your wallet using the fingerprint sensor to verify that the adjustments were successful. Remember to keep your wallet and device software up to date to ensure you have the latest security features and protections. Regularly review and update your security settings to maintain the highest level of security for your Trust Wallet account.